Alright, so paano tayo magta-top up sa IMG Soldibo funds natin? So basically, type mo lang dyan IMG Kiosk 2. Then select mo yung link. Yan, ito yung specific link. Then from here, under the other payments, click itong soldibogroup.com. Ito. Yan siya. So let's click this one. Then magla-login ka dito. So you should know yung agent code mo and password for this case. Yan. Tapos login. Save ko na lang siya. Considering na mag-add ka, you click this one, add subscription. Tapos, pili ka ng fund. So, for the strategic or bond fund, up to you. Yan. For this case, strategic growth fund, then magkano yung amount? Okay, pwede ka mag-add for as low as minimum 20 pesos. So, for this case, 1147. Then, click submit. Tapos, just fill in yung billing address. Okay. Tapos, under the payment method, let's use your cash bills payment method instead. Then, click next. Tapos, check mo tong tatlo. Then, submit.